Dr. Rekha Ramdas Joshi, working as an assistant professor in chemistry department, Anantara Power College, Pirambu. Today we will see the topic of chemical energetic. So before we see the chemical energetic, we know the thermodynamics. So first we will see the thermodynamic. So thermodynamic, thermo means heat and dynamic means motion or chemical work. So thermodynamic is the branch of science that deals with the quantitative relationship between heat and other forms of the energy. Okay. So the analysis of thermal system is achieved through the applications of the governing conservation equations, namely conservation of mass, conservation of energy, that is the first law of thermodynamics, the second law of thermodynamics, and the property relations. The energy can be viewed as the ability to cause the thermodynamics. So now we will see the dimensions and unit. Dimensions and unit, there are two dimensions, primary dimensions and secondary dimensions. So primary dimensions are mass denoted by letter M, length L, time T, small t, and temperature capital T. Second one is that secondary dimensions. So secondary dimensions are one that can be derived from the primary dimensions. For example, velocity. The velocity are derived from the primary dimension, that unit is mass per second square. Second one is the pressure, they derive from the primary dimensions. Pascal. Pascal is derived from kg per meter per second square. Okay. The dimensions, there are two unit systems currently available. SI unit system, it is an international system, and second one is the USCS, that is United States Customary System or English system. We will use SI system extensively in this course. These are the some units and we use the some prefix. For example, 10 raised to 2 we will use the prefix tetra, 10 raised to 9 giga, 10 raised to 6 mega, 10 raised to 3 kilo, 10 raised to minus 2 centi, 10 raised to minus 3 milli, 10 raised to minus 6 micro, 10 raised to minus 9 nano, and 10 raised to minus 12 is the pico. Now we will see the system and surrounding. So what is system? The system is a quantity of matter or a region in a space chosen for the study, and apart from system we will call the surrounding. This is the, in this picture we will see the internal part is the system and outside part is the surrounding, and real or imaginary surface that can be separate system from its surrounding. Okay, it's called as the boundary. The types of system, there are three types of system: open system, closed system, and isolated system. So open system, a system which can exchange both energy and matter between system and surrounding is called open system. For example, if water is kept in an open vessel, exchange of matter and energy, the place between the system and surrounding. Another examples are water boiling in a pot without lid. Second one, turbines, compressor, heat exchange, and the human body. Second system is the closed system. In this system, which can exchange only energy, not matter, with the system and the surrounding. Okay. For example, if water is kept in closed metallic vessel, no exchange of matter, but conducting wall of the vessel. Exchange of energy can take place between system and surrounding. Some another examples are refrigerator. Some another examples: refrigerator, calorimeter, the planet Earth, and pressure cooker. These are the some another example for the closed system. Next, isolated system. In this system, which can exchange neither matter nor energy. For example, water placed in vessel which is closed as well as insulated does not allow allow exchange of matter or energy between the system and surrounding. That is, we use the thermos in our home. So this is the example of isolated system. Next, there are two another systems, homogeneous system and heterogeneous system. So homogeneous system is a single phase system. Is said to homogeneous. It is uniform throughout the system. For example, metallic solid, ice and alloy. These all are the homogeneous system. Second one is the heterogeneous system. A system which consists of two phases is said heterogeneous system, and it is not uniform throughout the system. For example, mixture of two immiscible liquids, mixture of two solids, and a suspension of soluble water in solid in water. We in our home we use the water and oil. These are the homogeneous systems. Next one. Microscopic and macroscopic point of view, we see the thermodynamics. So there are two thermodynamics, classical thermodynamics. This is we also called as the macroscopic thermodynamic, and second one is the microscopic, or we use the kinetic thermodynamic. Okay. So in this microscopic or classical thermodynamic, certain quantity of matter here we consider without taking into account the event occurring at the molecular level. Second one is the approach to the study of thermodynamics that does not require knowledge of the behavior of the individual particle. Third one, the macroscopic thermodynamic is only concerned with the effect of the action of many molecules, and this effect can be perceived by human cells. Fourth one is the microscopic observation are completely independent of the assumptions regarding the nature of the matter, and some examples are moving car, a falling stone from the zippers. Next one is the microscopic or statistical thermodynamic. In microscopic point of view, the matter is composed of large number of small molecules and atoms. Next one is here the approach to study of thermodynamics that require knowledge of the behavior of the individual particles. Before we see macroscopic, there does not require the knowledge of the behavior of individual particle, but in microscopic we know the knowledge of the behavior of the individual particle. Third one is the microscopic thermodynamic is concerned with the effect of the actions. Fourth one, the microscopic observation are completely dependent of the assumptions regarding the nature of the matter, and their examples are individual molecule present in air. So I think so these points are very clear in your mind. Another point we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.